Stop scroll! Apple is hiding something huge in the M4 Air versus M5 Pro battle. And if you want the real truth, hit subscribe to Techie Hub. Now watch this. On one side, the new MacBook M4 Air, light, sleek, insanely battery efficient. On the other, the M5 Pro, Apple's latest powerhouse. But which one is actually worth your money in 2025? Let's expose the real performance difference. The M4 Air is fast, like really fast, but the M5 Pro? It's running Apple's new Pro Compute architecture, meaning smoother multitasking, faster rendering, and almost zero thermal throttling. M5 Pro heat dissipation illustration. Benchmark-style bars rising. But wait, here's what Apple doesn't tell you. In day-to-day use, 70% users won't even feel the difference between M4 Air and M5 Pro. User casually browsing on laptop, M4 Air, Rouse, lightweight champ. M5 Pro, Audacious premium tank. The Air feels like it disappears in your bag. The Pro feels like you're carrying pure metal power. Close-up aluminum edges of both models. Here's a reveal most reviewers skip. The M5 Pro has the brighter, smoother, sharper display, perfect for editing. But if you're just streaming Netflix or doing office work, the Air's display is more than enough. Side-by-side screen brightness test. Pics suggest change. Cinematic display reflection shots. And here's where things flip. The M4 Air destroys the M5 Pro in battery life. Apple's new efficiency cores plus, no fan, crazy long usage. Battery endurance meter rising. Pics suggest change. Air laptop with green battery glow. But the real twist is coming. There's one feature that might instantly change your buying decision. Ready? If you're planning to buy a MacBook for the next 3 to 5 years, the M5 Pro will age much better. Why? Because its new GPU cores and Pro architecture are designed for future macOS updates. Time-lapse future upgrade animation. Students, writers, YouTubers, office users, M4 Air is perfect. Editors, coders, designers, heavy users, M5 Pro, every single time. Student typing on Air. Designer editing on Pro. M4 Air, budget-friendly, efficient, silent, portable. M5 Pro, pricey, powerful, future-proof, pro-grade machine. So here's the truth. Apple didn't make one better than the other. They made two different machines for two different users. Split-screen Air user versus Pro user lifestyle. If you want pure value, go M4 Air. If you want Pro performance and longevity, M5 Pro. Either way, now you know the real difference, not the marketing copy. Both laptops facing forward. This video took hours of research so you don't waste your money. Subscribe to Techie Hub for brutally honest tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.